Welcome to Hey Jen Podcast. Today, we're diving into this amazing kitchen gadget that's been making waves lately.
Oh, the one everyone's talking about?
Yeah, the Black Plus Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. It's like
Right.
the ultimate multitasker for your countertop.
I've heard a bit about it, but what's so special about this one?
Well, it's not just an air fryer or a toaster oven, it combines both and then some. It has
Really?
12 cooking functions.
12? That's crazy. What can it do?
Oh, everything from convection baking, pizza, broiling, air frying, toasting, you name
Wow.
it. It's like having a mini kitchen all in one appliance.
That's awesome. Does it really replace all those other gadgets?
That's what users are saying.
Mm-hmm.
People are loving the versatility. One person even said they rarely use their main oven anymore.
No way. So it's saving space and energy?
Exactly. And the convection technology means it cooks faster too. Cuts cooking
Nice.
time by over 2.5 times in some cases.
That's impressive. But does it actually deliver on performance?
From what I've seen, yeah. Users are raving about how well it bakes and air
Yeah?
fries. One person made scones that turned out perfectly browned and moist inside,
I love scones. If it can handle those, it must be good.
right? And the design is pretty sleek too. It has these French doors with stainless steel accents.
Oh, fancy.
Adds a touch of style to the kitchen.
But how about the size? Is it big enough for family meals?
It fits a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast.
Okay.
So it's pretty spacious without taking up too much counter space.
That's a good balance. Any downsides people mentioned?
Well, some users think the interior is a bit smaller than they expected. So if you're cooking bigger dishes, it might be a tight fit.
Got it. And what about ease of use?
Overall, people find it user-friendly, but a few mentioned you have to cycle through the cooking modes instead of selecting them directly. Could be
Oh,
a
I
slight
see.
inconvenience for some.
Yeah, but probably not a deal breaker.
Exactly. And the LED lit selection dial is pretty intuitive. It lights
Right.
up red when it's cooking and blue when paused.
That's helpful. So you always know what's going on.
Definitely. Plus, all the accessories are dishwasher safe, makes
Nice.
cleanup a breeze.
That's a big plus in my book. I hate hand washing trays and racks.
Same here. And, the price point is pretty reasonable too.
Yeah?
Around $140 new, with some used options available.
Not bad at all for all those features.
Exactly. And there are protection plans if you're interested in extended warranties. Adds
Good
some
to
peace of
know.
mind.
So, any standout customer stories?
Oh, for sure. Like Heidi, she baked scones and was thrilled with how they turned out.
That's great.
She's excited to use it instead of her oven, air fryer, or microwave,
That's saying something if it's replacing all three.
right? And then there's Red Dragon, who loves making grilled cheese and drying fruits. Uses
Oh,
it for a
wow.
variety of things.
Versatility seems to be a common theme.
Definitely. But, it's not all perfect. Some folks mention the beeping noise when selecting functions. Could be
Oh,
annoying
really?
if you're sensitive to sounds.
Yeah, that's something to consider. Any issues with build quality?
A few people felt it was a bit flimsy, especially the doors, but others didn't seem to have that issue.
Maybe it's a matter of handling it carefully.
Could be. And some users in smaller households found it perfect for 2 or 3 people. I don't
That's
usually
ideal
cook
for
big
me.
meals.
Same here. So, overall, would you say it's worth it?
I'd say if you're looking for a multifunctional appliance that saves space and cooks efficiently, it's a solid choice.
Yeah,
Just be mindful of the few quirks mentioned.
makes sense. I'm actually considering getting one now.
I don't blame you. It seems like a great addition to any kitchen, especially if you're
Totally.
into trying new recipes.
Yeah, and the air frying aspect is a big plus. Healthier cooking without sacrificing taste.
Exactly. It's like enjoying fried food without the guilt.
Right.
The convection technology really helps with that.
Well, thanks for sharing all this info.
No problem. Always happy to talk about cool kitchen gadgets.
Haha,
Maybe
yeah.
next time we can try out some recipes and report back.
That would be fun. Let's do it.
Sounds like a plan. Until then, happy cooking.
Thanks, you too.